Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and the second smallest planet in the Solar System. Mars is known as the little brother of Earth, because it is most like Earth among the planets of the Solar System. It has been called this for several reasons, the most important of which is that Mars rotates at the same speed as the Earth. This means that, on Mars one day is almost the same as the day of the Earth. Mars also has seasons like the Earth, even the landscape has some similarities to that of the Earth. Mars' surface temperatures range from lows of about 143 degrees Celsius below zero in winter polar caps to highs of up to 30 degrees Celsius in equatorial summer. The wide temperature range is because of the thin atmosphere, which can't store much solar heat, and because of the low atmospheric pressure. Almost all water on Mars today exists as ice, though it also exists in small quantities as vapor in the atmosphere. More than 21 million cubic kilometer of ice have been detected at or near the surface of Mars. Assuming this ice melts, it is sufficient to cover the surface of the whole planet with water to a depth of 35 meters. Mars has two moons which are named Phobos and Deimos. They are irregular in shape, and compared to the Earth's moon, the moons Phobos and Deimos are small. Mars has been remotely explored by spacecraft. Probes sent from Earth, started at the end of the 20th century, have produced a large increase in knowledge of the Martian system, focusing mainly on understanding its geology. Mars has a reputation for being a difficult target for space exploration. Just 25 of 55 missions till 2019, 45.5%, have been fully successful, with a further 3 partially successful and partially failed. However, of the 16 missions since 2001, 12 of those have been successful and 8 of those are still operational. Phoenix was a robotic spacecraft that landed on Mars on May 25, 2008, returned data showing Martian soil to be slightly alkaline and containing elements such as magnesium, sodium, potassium and chlorine. These nutrients are found in soils on Earth, and they are necessary for growth of plants. Experiments performed by Phoenix showed that the Martian soil has a basic pH of 7.7, and contains 0.6% of the salt perchlorate, which is a very high concentration and makes the Martian soil toxic. Despite the number of discoveries that we discovered about Mars, it is still mysterious in many aspects and needs more research for the next tens or perhaps hundreds of years.